Kamusta na nga ba ang aktres na si Joyce Jimenez matapos nga na umalis ito sa kasagsagan ng kasikatan ng kanyang career? Si Joyce Jimenez o may totoong pangalan na Joyce Herin Reentregado Egbalik at ang screen name niya nga ay Joyce Jimenez ay ipinanganak noong March 21, 1978. So 46 na nga si Joyce. Isa siyang is an American-born former Filipino actress. In the early 2000, Joyce Jimenez was titled Pantasya ng Bayan. Ayon ito sa Wikipedia, the nation's fantasy after doing ilang mga sexy films that did well at the box office under Viva Films. She worked with serious actors such as Richard Gomez, Albert Martinez, Jo Marie Iliana at marami pang iba. After her retirement in film and her regular television work for GMA Network at the time, nagdesisyon nga itong si Joyce Jimenez na bumalik na sa Los Angeles. After marrying and starting a family, her ever-Belena brand Private Joyce disbanded in 2006. Joyce Jimenez was born in Los Angeles, California to Philippine migrant parents. Her full name is Joyce Herin Reentregado Egbalik. Jimenez grew up in the Los Angeles area where she studied at Bishop Amat High School in La Puente, California. She was accepted at UCLA but decided to forgo schooling to move to the Philippines. Most recently, she had a college degree from a university in Australia. In 1996, Jimenez participated in the Miss Taguig Hollywood pageant. Although she did not win the title, she did win the Miss Photogenic title. Anyway, masaya na nga ang buhay ngayon ni Joyce Jimenez kasama ang kanyang pamilya at narito ang kanyang beautiful family. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.